Ever have a trainee ask if they could take your training program again? I have, and I want to share my secrets with you. I'm Len Milbauer, and I spent 20 years as a professional entertainer and 25 years writing training for Walt Disney World. Over the years, I developed a unique instructional design methodology that delivers magical results. Where most trainings focus on the objectives the organization needs, my designs focus on the emotional value trainees get from those objectives. When you reach people logically, you gain consensus. But when you reach them emotionally, you change behavior. The Learnertainment design template is drawn from 3-act movie structure, and it features a sequence that takes learners through a journey of discovery. In that journey, meaningful activities illuminate key insights. Learnertainment methodology captures attention, maintains interest, and moves learners to favorable action. Your trainees will retain your message, and your organization will applaud your results. So places, please, join me and get ready to create magic